Hello everyone, good morning to all. Here is Dr. Ajay Singh. I am here to present myself on the subject topic that is food chemistry, wherein I am covering the content that is introductory part, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, emulsions, and enzymes. In total, we are covering here the 9 course content in under the heading that is food chemistry. So herein, under the module Food Chemistry, we are starting with introduction portion about biochemistry, wherein the application and its scope will be discussed. Water as a segmented part is also discussed under the biochemistry proportion. Next is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates also deal through introductory portion, its classification and recent trends. Classification includes monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides proportion, its structural, nutritional values, and other physical chemical properties. Third module is proteins. Proteins include sources, amino acids, peptides, proteoses, its classification, structures and properties, protein denaturation, malnutrition, and nourishment. Fourth is lipid. Under the heading lipids, we are running with oils and fat, so its sources, refining of oil from crude to edible proportion. Classification includes saturated and unsaturated fats, essential fatty acids and non-essential fatty acids. It utilization aspect among the various segments of food, physical and chemical properties, ALA, EPA and DHA means alpha linoleic acid, eicosapentaenoic acid, and docosahexaenoic acid means omega fatty acids. Its physical characteristics, rancidity in fats, functions of oils and fats in foods. Second unit comprises of vitamins, its classification, fat and water soluble aspects, sources, functions and deficiency symptoms. Minerals, again the classification among macro and trace minerals aspect, its sources, functions and deficiency symptoms. Sixth is dietary fiber, that includes complex carbohydrates and functional food ingredient, its classification among soluble and insoluble dietary fibers, sources, its benefits. Seventh is plant pigments, which includes structure, functions of pigments, that is chlorophyll, carotenoids, and anthocyanin pigments, and its processing effects. Second last is enzymes. Among enzymes, we introduce the introduction proportion, nomenclature and classification, factors affecting the rate of enzyme catalyzed reactions, enzyme immobilization, enzymes in food processing, and enzymatic browning. Lastly, as a 9 heading with the name emulsion and emulsifier, we deal with introduction portion, its classification as natural and synthetic emulsifiers, application extension, and example. That's all for the course content. That is all about the course framework, which we will cover in the ahead lecture series. Thank you.